problem, pre-incorporation sales and post-incorporation sales are not given. Pre and post-incorporation sales are not given. We cannot find sales ratio. Yesterday we did around 4 problems. 3 problems I have solved. Short problems also we worked out. There were time ratio and sales ratio. But in the given problem, information relating to sales is not given. When information relating to sales is not given to you, you cannot find sales ratio. But information relating to time is given to you, pre and post. Pre is 1 month, post is 11 months. So we can find out time ratio. So do remember, in the absence of information about the sales, all the expenses are to be distributed according to time ratio. You know, when nothing is given to you in the problem, even in short problem also one problem came. I told you at that time, when problem is silent, if nothing is given to you about what's the sales in the problem, then all expenses are to be distributed according to time ratio. So we have to distribute all expenses according to time ratio. But first of all, what we will do, we have to find out time ratio. Then afterwards, we have to prepare all the schedules. Schedule for distribution of what's the sales, distribution of operating other expenses, distribution of what depreciation and amortization expenses, finance cost, stock, everything we need to distribute. Yes or no? Once it is finished, then afterwards we will prepare the main statement. In the main statement, first we need to take revenue from operation, then other income. You will get total revenue minus expenses. Among the expenses, you have to take what? Purchases of stock in trade, changes in the inventory, employee benefit expenses, finance cost, depreciation and amortization expenses, and other expenses. Please stick to this rule. Follow this format. According to the format, you're supposed to work out. Revenue from operation. Sales is included under this revenue from operation. I gave you one problem there. Transfer fees was there. Transfer fees is included in other income. Expenses, cost of material consumed, not given material, but purchase is given to you. You may consider it as purchase stocking trade. Purchases are given. So we will include what's the purchase under the head purchase stocking trade. Then changes in the inventory, it is there. There is increase in the stock because opening stock was not there. Only closing stock we have. So closing stock is to be distributed according to the time ratio. Changes in the inventory of finished goods, work in progress, and stock in trade. So stock in trade is there. Next, employee benefit expenses we have. Finance cost, interest is there. Depreciation also we have. Other expenses we have. So how many notes we are supposed to prepare? Purchases, changes in inventory, employee benefit expenses, finance cost, depreciation amortization expenses, and other expenses. And apart from that, sales is also given. So what we will do? First of all, we have to leave 3/4 of the page. 75% of the page we have to leave for preparation of what? Profit and loss statement. Yes or no? When you are leaving 3/4 of the page, please use it at the end. After working, once the working load is over, you have to use that particular space and you have to prepare profit and loss statement. Yeah. Shall we proceed now? Yes, sir. Pre-incorporation, post-incorporation. The pre-incorporation period, there is only 1 month. You can see Chaitanya Industries Private Limited was incorporated on 1st second, means 1st February 1987. It took over the proprietary business of Chaitanya with effect from 1st 1987. That means the business was started in the month of January, but it was incorporated from the month of February. So from February till December, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So 11 months post. 1 month pre, 11 months post. 1 month, 11 months. Therefore, time ratio 1:11. Time ratio is 1 is to 11. We don't have any information about sales. So all expenses are to be distributed according to time ratio. The absence of information in the problem all items are distributed according to time ratio. Yes, what is your doubt?
नहीं सर ये और में कर रहे हैं फुल नहीं कर रहे हैं
We have to make those. But first of all, so time ratio, no ratio.
और रेशो की देखेंगे वही तो लग
In the absence of information in the problem, all items are distributed according to which ratio? Time ratio. Shall we proceed now? A schedule forming part of financial statement. Same thing, but in a different mode. Pre-incorporation, post-incorporation. What is the first item? Income from revenue from operations. Revenue from operation. Revenue from operation includes sales. Am I correct? Yes. Sales. How much is the sales? Please distribute sales according to this ratio. 1 is to 11. 1 by 1 by 12. 11 by 12. 3 lakhs into 3 lakhs into 1 by 12. 3 lakhs into 11 by 12.
2,75,000.
Okay, do you find any other item under this head? Huh? The revenue from operation, do you find any other item? Do you have any other income? Other income? Other income? Do you have any other income? Tell me, do you have any other income? You don't have other income. Do you have any purchase or stock in trade? You can include schedule 2. Purchase of stock in trade. Purchase of stock in trade. So under purchase of stock in trade, we may include purchases. Distribute purchases according to time ratio. Distribute purchases according to time ratio.
11,667.
11,667. And 1,40,000 into 11 by 12.
1,28,333. 28,333.
That's it.
Pencil.
Next item is changes in the inventory. Changes in the inventory. Wait for some.
ओके सर आ रहा
No.
Go on my right.
और दूसरी चीजेगा
Changes in the inventory. Changes in the inventory of finished goods work in progress stock equation. है ना? But we don't have all those things. We have only one thing, that is stock. Yes or no? So changes in stock. Schedule what? Changes in stock. You can see here, we don't have any opening stock. Yes or no?
यस सर
Opening stock is nil. But we have closing stock. Closing stock is how much?
22,000.
It's 2,000. So stock nil minus 22,000. You will get 22,000. What is this 22,000 is? This is your
Closing stock.
increase in stock. Increase in stock. So this increase in stock should be deducted. Nil minus 22,000 is 22,000. What is this 22,000 is? Increase in stock. So this increase in stock we need to divide between pre and post incorporation period based on this ratio. Tell me how much?
1,833.
22,000 to 1 by 12. 1,833. 33, sir.
Yes, sir.
The next
20,167.
20,000.
167.
What is this? It is an increase in stock. So while preparing what's the statement, main statement, increase in stock should be deducted. Increase in stock should be deducted. So we have to deduct 1,883. And we have to deduct 20,167. So what I have done, based on yesterday's explanation and today's explanation, instead of making rows again and again in a single, statement or schedule numbers, it is quite easier as compared to that. Yes or no?
Understand.
Now schedule what? Schedule 4. Schedule 4 is employee benefit expenses.
Yes, sir.